So let me start this video by telling you it's going to be the most awkward unboxing ever because I fell down the steps earlier. I put a little hole in the wall with my head and I reawakened an old tendon injury on my ankle. So I'm actually currently icing my ankle, but I know it's going to take a second to heal because it literally took me 6 years to heal the last time. So anyway, this is sitting precariously on my lap as I ice my foot. So this is Susie's Bubbles, and it's a big box, bigger than I expected. Maybe the bath bombs are big. We got some candy here, a little ducky, look like some chopsticks, card from Susie's Bubbles, and then her actual card. This is a nice card, by the by. All right, so try to see where I could put this stuff. The box says, oops, I'm already dropping stuff. Hi, Ingrid.
Starting now.
So let's see what's inside. If you hear an alarm go off in the background, I am timing my ice. So please excuse me. I'm obviously going to have to unpackage this and get back to you. All right, I am back. So the first thing I see here, I bought this for my granddaughter who actually loves Nightmare Before Christmas. So this is called the Night Before Christmas Bubble Bath Cocktail. So I hope she enjoys it. Maybe she'll do a little fake me out demo. I don't know. Up to her mom. All right. And that was, all of this stuff was really well priced. Oh, just don't have a price on it, but I think it was $8. This one here was $10, I remember. And this is a super bargain because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bath bombs in one for $10. And I remember the last time I actually got this one before. And the last time, I think maybe this one, oh, this is Bubble Bar. The last time I got this, each one of the bath bombs was worth 1 bath, even though I used 2 at a time. So we have a bubble brick and we have the 4 bath bombs. Next, I don't remember how much the rest of these cost. This one is called Come On Spring, White and Yellow Daffodils. And, oh, it doesn't say whether it's a bath bomb or a bubble bomb. Oh, there's one I forgot to open. Let's go for this one here. This one is Batgirl. Her nose is so cute. And this is, I'm sorry, Batgirl. Why did I say that? Catwoman. Bubble Bath Bomb. And there's one more under here. This one is, it's all about that fizz bubble bath bomb. And in case I didn't talk about it before, anytime that there's a bubble bath bomb, that means the ball, I can't even talk right now, this pain in my foot. That means that it also makes bubbles. And this is the last one that I got, lemon pound cake donut. It's so cute. And it just says bomb, so with cocoa butter drizzle. So cute. And then she sent a couple of freebies. One was a sample of her summer blend body butter, and look how cute. It's so cute, and it held during traveling and everything. So cute. Shimmery and everything. All right. And then this last thing she sent as a free gift, and it is enormous. It's 1 pound of bath dust with embeds, and it's packed so tight. It's like a brick. Thank you so much. This was very generous. And this is espresso yourself. It's a 1 pound, 5 ounces. Girl. Thank you so much. So again, we had this Nightmare Before Christmas bubble bath cocktail. And then we have the Catwoman, the donut, the Come On Spring, the Saturday morning cartoons. Did I get this one? It's all about the fizz. And then this espresso yourself. And then, of course, a little sample here. All right, guys, that's it for Susie's Bubbles. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.